Hello, I'm Ngọc. I'm 7 years old.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a cow.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a pig.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a chicken.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a horse.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a cheese.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a duck.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a goat.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a dog.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a cow.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
Yeah, a rabbit. Goodbye.